unseen. Chains that bind are rusting clean. Eyes of fire pierce the soul deep. Awake your wrath from its quiet sleep. Embrace the dead. You are stronger than they ever knew. Break the mirror that wants to fight you. Release the darkness hidden inside. Unleash the power, let it collide. Unseen, chains that bind are rusting clean. Eyes of fire pierce the soul deep. Awake your wrath from its quiet sleep. You are stronger than they ever knew. Break the mirror that wants to find you. Release the darkness hidden inside. Unleash the power, let it collide. Silent screams now grow profound. Every pulse erupts with sound. Twist the void and shatter fate. Open the gates before it's too late. Storm, exhale your fear. Light dissolves when the truth appears. Ancient Ancient whispers guide your hand. Walk the ashes, embrace the damned. You are stronger than they ever knew. Break the mirror that wants to find you. Release the darkness hidden inside. Unleash the power, let it collide. Silent screams now grow profound. Every pulse erupts with sound. Twist the void and shatter fate. Open the gates before it's too late. Hail the stones, but you remain. Heavy hearts break through the chain. Rise as the phoenix from your demise. Claim the throne beneath the skies. Heavy hearts break through the chain. Rise as the phoenix from your demise. Claim the throne beneath the skies. In the name of God, the shadows crash. Impure souls rise from the wretched past. Living dead, they claw at the edge of time. Banished to realms where sanity unwise. The burden of Hermes whispers for free. Need my wings to make me sing. Through the gates of hell I ignite the flame. Eternal damnation, it calls my name. Cries burst through the void. Angels silence their wrath deployed. Chains break loud in the fiery night. The dark awakens to endless fights. The bird of Hermes whistles refrain. Needing my wings to make me sane. Through the gates of hell I ignite the flame. Eternal damnation, it calls my name. Hallowed cries burst through the void. Angels silence their wrath deployed. Chains break loud in the fiery night. The dark awakens to endless fights. The bird of Hermes whistlers refrain. Needing my wings to make me tame. Through the gates of hell I ignite the flame. Eternal damnation, it calls my name. Shattered wings descend like rain. Every drop of memory of pain. The abyss trembles, screams collide. Under blackened stars where horrors abide. Blessed gentle hollow tale. Their light consumed in foul and frail. No escape from this cursed page. Lost forever in a crimson rage. The bird of Hermes whistles refrain. Needing my wings to make me tame. Through the gates of hell I ignite the flame. edge of time. Banish your realms where sanity unwinds. The bird of Hermes whispers refrain, eating my wings to make me tame. Through the gates of hell I ignite the flame. Eternal damnation, it calls my name. Hollow cries burst through the void. Angels silence their wrath deployed. Chains break loud in the fiery night. The dark awakens to endless fights. Silence their wrath deployed. Chains break loud in the fiery night. The dark awakens to endless fights. Hallowed winds descend like rain. Every drop a memory of pain. The abyss trembles, screens collide. Under blackened stars where horrors abide. Blessed chants fall, hollow and pale. The light consumed, devoured, frail. No escape from this cursed page. Lost forever in a crimson rage. Sky skies, colors scream. Walls of madness, nightmare dream. Kali laughs, Shiva grins. In the wreckage, it begins. Sense. Shiva breaks it down. Oh crash, oh smash. World in pieces, burn to ash. To ash. Kali spins, the cosmos sway. Fire erupts, night eats the day. Dancing flames. Though the world's undone, destruction moves. It's all begun. Watch it twist, see it bend. From the ruin, life ascends. Dancing. Shiva roars, the skies too weak. Mountains crumble, oceans leap. Kali speaks, they pound the ground. A rhythm fierce, the world spins around. She jumps, holds the sand. New world rise from Kali's hand. Chaos hums, it fills the air. Psychedelic, everywhere. Dancing flames. Though the world's undone, destruction moves. It's all begun. Watch it twist, see it bend. From the ruin, life ascends. Evil roars, the sky's too weak. Mountains crumble, oceans leap. Kali's feet, they pound the ground. A rhythm fierce, the world spins around. Flesh, dust, bones to sand. New worlds rise from Kali's hand. Chaos hums, it fills the air. Psychedelic, everywhere. Life ascends. Making us countless. False success. Goes to sand. Beyond skies, colors scream. Pulse of madness, nightmare dream. Kali loves, Shiva grins. In the wreckage, it begins. Warlock's child, fallen savior, abyss bound, endless night, mysterious power inherited, grew mastery resurrected. All seeing Alucard, I'm a mistaker. All seeing Alucard, sorcery. All seeing Alucard, I'm a mistaker. All seeing Alucard, fighting against monsters. Dreadful, mysterious power. I'm an figure.